Stay happy for me, even if we're no longer together.
Yo, truth be told, I think we always knew it wouldn't last forever. But I'll still be sad when I start dreaming about our time together. For a whole year, I felt your warmth into it. I was tethered, now I get confused when you start posting pics inside my sweater. Like, maybe we were overthinking, we misread our energies. And maybe this is what everyone thinks when things are meant to be. Regardless, I think some time apart from this will help, then we'll be happier. So baby, let's just focus on ourselves, eh?